Hello everyone, on today's video I want to show whenever you're going to be mounting a tire. If you don't know, some tires have these points, these dots. One's yellow, one's red. Some tires only have the yellow dot and not the red. But basically if you have these dots, they recommend for you to install these dots on the position of the bulb. So if you ever encounter a tire that has both, you have to know red and yellow. Then you'll be wondering which one you need to use, but red is going to supersede that one. So you need to put the red lining up with the valve stem. And if you only have a yellow dot and not a red one, then you will be putting the yellow dot on the bulb. So just if you ever encounter that when you're mounting a tire, just know that red is always going to be more important than the red one. And basically this is so that when you balance your tires, they're supposed to be on the best position. If you have ever encountered a tire that you mounted and then you had to, it requires a lot of weight. Basically this is to get the tire to the closest position to where you don't need to balance it as much. But anyway, I just thought about doing a video and just telling you my experience with these. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Have a good day, guys.